Brother, good morning.
Good day, Chigade.
Hello, my brother. Good morning.
Sit. This one you came to my house today. I hope all is well. But sorry, let me get something for you.
No, brother. Don't bother yourself. I'm okay. I don't want to take anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're not looking bright. I hope all is well.
Brother, I need your help. I need your help, brother. You know, since my husband lost his job, things have been very difficult for us. But the one that is giving me sleepless nights is my children's school fees. Please.
How much is their school fees?
20,000 naira will do everything.
Say no more. I'll be with you in a minute.
Okay,
okay?
Brother. Okay, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you, brother. Hey.
Evelyn? Darling?
Yes?
How are you?
I can say I'm good.
My sister Uchechi is around. I would like you to go and see her. Just say hi to her.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, are you serious? One more. Am I her mate? I should go and look for her and greet her. When she came to my house, she didn't deem it right to go look for me and greet me. Anyway, that's not my problem. I had everything you two discussed. And I ask you, what is wrong with you?
How?
Is it because you have small head? Your brain has shrunk? Or is it old age? Madoka, are you alright? So you now run a charity organization? Eh?
My sister just came asking for 20,000 naira for her children's school fees. That's all.
That's all?
Yes, and you and I know that we can afford it. It's nothing.
If you can afford it, can she afford it? If that 20,000 naira is nothing, so it's nothing to her, why did she come here to look for it? She should have had it grown at her backyard. Or better still, as she was coming, she will not see it growing in front of her, piam. No, effortlessly, she will be picking them 1, 2, 3 until it's 20,000. We don't need to come in here. Rubbish. Go tell her that you're retired. Your salary doesn't come like that again. You're a pensioner. I know what pension is all about. Wait. Why can't she and her husband go look for something reasonable to do with their lives? All they know about is how to produce children. When I talk now, they'll tell me it is only God that gives children. That God that gave them those children, did he give them the equivalent source of income, different source of income to sustain the children? Huh? When she wants money, she'll run to this place. But come on, will you have sense? Eh? If not for the way I was stopping you from lavishing your money on your village people, would you have been able to raise this building? They would have all gathered to call you a failure. And I said, you know, bring go, get down. To turn your life.
Evelyn, do you realize that it's my sister Uchechi that we are talking about here? Yes, originally I asked her to wait. So what do you want me to do now? To tell her to go?
Go and tell her to go, that you don't have money, that you're a pensioner. Go now. What am I even saying? When you get there, I'll tell her that Evelyn said. Give her this one. Tell her to give you some time. Eh? Yes, even if it's God, God will allow you to pray, kabash. He will see your heart, see your faith in him before he will give you the money. Or give you whatever thing you are asking him for.
Evelyn, this is 2,000.
Is it not much? Remove 2,000 from 20,000. Will it be up to 20,000 again? I even tried though. I tried. I'm saving you, you don't know.
Can I still tell her to come some other time?
When? Have they paid your pension for the month? When will she come? Go and tell her this is what you can afford. Evelyn, what? I'm saving you. I'm just trying to be a good wife to you, if you don't know. If you finish spending the money, when I ask for money for food, you tell me I gave it to my sister. She should be the one to be taking care of you by now because you're old and retired.
Evelyn, there is tomorrow.
Which tomorrow?
There is tomorrow.
What I'm talking about is today. First, more hands, more brain. Go, get away.
It's okay, Your Majesty.
I go.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I'm making it look as if I'm a bad person. Now go there and tell her, my wife, one man fucker told about the away, stupid.
Take.
Brother, this is only 2,000 naira. Brother.
Uchechi, that is what I have for now. I might do better later. Okay?
Brother, did you say later? Brother, please now, 2,000 naira cannot do anything. Please, be cool.
Are you trying to be ungrateful? Like I said, I will do better. Later. Just go for now. That is all I have in the house for now.
No. I don't want to do anything.
Uchechi, you can see I'm a very busy man. I have other things to attend to. Please, you may leave now. Okay?
Hi, God. Do I know you?
You don't know him? Can't remember him? You know, all you see there is all this white. This one is Ebuka. Echetaka's son. That is him. His name is Ebuka.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Oh, the pleasure is all mine.
But I don't think we've met.
Oh, no, we have not met before. But I must say, you're more beautiful than I expected. London is really, really good on you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm so glad to have you back.
Thank you. Mother, I've missed home.
Welcome. Sister, I hope you brought enough goodies.
My love. Oh my God.
Is this you?
This is me. This is me.
Good to have you back.
Good to have you back. I've missed you.
Yeah, Oga. Leave them down. Drop my sister.
Mama, I'm sorry. I out of excitement, I forgot you're here.
Because you're mad.
Mama, no. So somebody told me Oloido is back. So I had to take off my boot and drop my bicycle and started running here. I started running.
Baby.
I miss you.
Look at you. Let's go to the car.
No. check the car first and give you your own. Come back.
Is this your car?
Yes.
Open the car.
I locked it. I don't know. After we'll come and bring the goodies you came back with. Let's go inside first.
No, I have something for him. Open
No,
the
after
car.
you should come back after.
Now we sort it and give him the phone.
Let's go inside. Let's go. Let's
now you are
go.
right.
Let's go inside.
Oh, wait.
Adane, let's go.
Mama, it's me.
I know it's you now. You don't know. 5 years is a long time. 5 years, class has happened. 5 years, maturity has come. So you are no longer in that class.
Evelyn.
Let's go inside.
We go inside. Adane, please. I am happy. Olam,
My love.
you kept the bead.
Yes, I kept the bead. It was the only thing that kept me closer to you.
Oledo,
Obim.
I want to tell you something.
What is it? What is it?
I want to thank you for coming into my life. Since you came into my life, I've been a happy man. I can't thank you enough.
Obim. I also want to thank you for being the man of my dreams. You didn't disappoint me at all. I'm very happy. The moments we shared together will remain priceless. I'm going to miss it. And I'm going to miss you.
Oledo, this is the second time you're using that word, miss. Are you leaving me? Are you going somewhere?
Obim, I passed the scholarship examination.
Scholarship. Congratulations, you should be happy.
That means that I will be leaving for London.
Huh? London? Oledo, you're leaving me?
No, my love. I'm not leaving you. I mean, not forever. I'm just going to study. Once I'm done, I will come back. Listen, I've been looking for the right time to tell you this because I know how you will react. But believe me, my love, it's for the best. Believe me.
Oledo, I'm scared. You're leaving me.
I'm not going to leave you, and you don't have to be scared. I am yours forever. Nothing can change that. I promise. I'll come back for you as soon as I am done with my studies. It's a promise. I love you. I am set to leave.
You're leaving?
Yes.
You're leaving me? Wait for me. Wait for me.
Where are you going to?
Wait.
Where are you going to? Obim, what is it? What?
Nay. This hand bead was given to me by my grandmother. She wanted to give it to the woman I'll marry, but unfortunately she's not here to do that because she's dead.
I wish I met her. You have spoken so much about her.
Obim, I was very, very close to my grandmother. We were both very connected. When my father died, she was heartbroken. Her life never remained the same until she died. Please, hold on to this handbead for me. Let it be in your possession. Remember me with it. Don't forget about me.
Never. I will never forget you, my love.
Promise me.
I promise.
You promise?
I love you.
I love you too.
I have to go now. I sneaked out from the house.
Okay. Let me see you off.
Okay. I tried calling you several times, but all to no avail.
I thought I had lost you.
I came back for you. I kept my promise. Listen, I'm done with my studies. I have a thriving business in the city. I am back for you.
You came back for me?
Yes.
You came back for me?
Yes, baby.
Yeah?
Yes, baby.
No, I can't go your house. Let me enjoy my sister. Let's go. Welcome.
It's changed. So go home. Later you come back.
Mama, it's me.
I know it's you.
Evelyn. Evelyn. Please, my daughter just came back.
Well, I know.
Must you exhibit this your lucidity at every point in time? It calls for celebration and I want to celebrate. My daughter's coming back. Please, young man, please, for now, just go. Leave this mad people. Look at him, all muscles. No brain. Amobi! Oh! Amobi! My daughter, please, let's go and celebrate. I will settle this later, okay? Amobi!
Yeah, I just want to be happy.
Oh my God.
Did we stop anything? Sadist. You cannot allow us to do exercise our franchise.
Now. You just came back now, eh?
Don't worry, later.
It's okay, my daughter. Don't worry, I'm your father. I will fix it.
I'm the brother.
Please, everybody should leave her alone.
Yes. And then they come.
Young man, please come back later, okay? I don't want anything to frustrate my happiness. Just go inside. My daughter, come for now, come. Let's go in. It calls for celebration.
Yes.
You are back. What happened? What is the problem? Why is your face like this?
Nothing.
No. You know you are all I have. And I am all you have. We are supposed to confide in each other. So tell me, what is the problem? What happened?
Mama, it's Oledo.
The girl you want to marry.
Mm.
What about her?
She's finally back from overseas. I went there to see her. Her mother asked me to leave.
Anyway, I am not surprised. That is women for you.
Mama, I don't understand. I used to think her mother liked me. I don't even know her plans. I don't know their plans. I saw a man there with a car.
I don't blame her. It's obvious they have found a rich suitor for their daughter. Yes.
Mama, does that mean I've been wasting my time?
I did not say that. But you mentioned that you saw a man with a car, a young man for that matter, in their house. Most parents want a rich son-in-law or suitor for their daughter.
But Mama, I'm shocked. I'm very disappointed. And I know it's because I'm still in this village. Eh? But God knows that I've been doing everything to survive. Is it my fault?
My son, you are a strong, hard-working young man. I don't want you to relent. God knows your heart's desires, and I'm sure He will make it to come to pass. It will only take time, but it must surely come to pass. Just keep hope alive. God will surely bless you.
Oledo, my daughter. This is Ebuka, Mazi Echieteka's son. He works in Abuja. And he came all the way to search for a wife. He has been coming here to seek for your hand in marriage. So.
Ebuka here has been showering us with lots of love. Ever since he stepped his feet into this family. He has been providing for us even when we have asked him nothing. That means he's warming himself to make sure he's a part of this family. I'm sorry I've not been able to tell you all this while. You know, this kind of thing, you don't say it on the phone. You say it one-on-one.
Mama, Papa, thank you very much. Well, Ola, like your parents said, my name is Ebuka. I'm a chemical engineer. I work in a very big company based in Abuja. I've been looking for a wife to marry from this village. It has been my desire. And of all the girls in this village, I chose you. Not because you're the most beautiful. You're very beautiful, by the way, don't get me wrong. But it's just that you're reserved. You're calm, you're pure in heart. You possess so many qualities that no man would think twice before making you his wife. I'm just very privileged to have come here early enough to show my willingness to marry you.
I see. So, you came to my parents seeking my hands in marriage. In my absence. Ebuka, you're a graduate. You said you're a graduate of chemical engineering, right? I expect you to do better. I mean, how can you come seeking for my hands in marriage without meeting me, knowing me? I mean, I'm disappointed.
Well, I understand what you're saying, but I collected your number from your mother, right? Some time ago, and I called you, if you could remember, and you ended the call even before I could introduce myself. So I made a move, you know.
That is because I don't take calls from strangers. Listen, Ebuka, long story short, I have a man in my life. The one you saw me hugging earlier. He's the love of my life.
Oledo. Madoka, say something. Oh, no.
Don't get me wrong. You didn't do anything bad coming here to seek for somebody's hand in marriage. Just that, definitely not this hand. Excuse me.
What kind of embarrassment is this?
You wouldn't say anything. You're asking him for embarrassment. Don't worry. Please. It's your face in YM. Oh, she will come around. She just came back. So we need to sit her down and talk to her well. You know, child love is no love. They were friends when they were children. They've grown now. So they need to make progress. So I know she'll definitely be your wife. They just give her a little time. Alright?
Mama! Onyeka!
Ma!
We have a visitor. Hey! Come on, see. Hey! Mama, hey, my daughter, welcome. Okay. You're welcome. Onyem, I got this for you. Mama, this is for you.
Me?
Yes.
Hey!
Hi! Oh, thank you, my
You're
daughter.
welcome.
God bless you for me, eh? Let me bring something for you. Let me bring.
Your hair is red.
It's pink.
Pink.
It's pink. No, red. Let's sit down.
You had better go and inform him. Let him not step those snake-like legs into this compound. Else I will cut them off. We are hard workers now.
You will
We
do
shall your
no such thing. You will do no such thing.
Madoka, we shall see. Sense. Now call me.
I don't even know why you people derive joy in provoking my mother. Why? And Oledo, do you realize that you're a very big disgrace to this family? No, do you know you are a very big disgrace to this family? In fact, I wish I was the one who traveled abroad for my education and not to say it's senseless to you.
You are the one that is a bigger disgrace, you blockhead.
I will not have you insult me, Ole.
If I insult you, what will happen?
You will try not such thing.
What will happen? What will you do if I insult you?
You are insulting your father's first son?
You are a good-for-nothing first son.
Me?
Yes!
Ole, you are insulting me!
What do you think you can do? Look at you! We took the same scholarship exam, what happened? Your blockhead could not pass. Why didn't you pass?
Why didn't I pass?
Yes!
Ole, if I descend on you, you will...
Try it, I will just lock you up. Look at you. Big for nothing, all muscles, no brain. What are you doing in my father's house? You're meant to I'm getting married, succeeding in their various businesses, but you're here looking around. Mommy's boy! Mommy's boy! Stupid.
See what you've cost. No, you've seen what you've cost. You've given them leverage over me. They now insult me. All of them more back here.
Try it. You spend the rest of your miserable life in jail. Fool.
Amor, let me tell you something. You are not going to try that length. What do you want from sister? Won't you just let her be? Why do you keep bothering her? Why? Let her be!
Wait. You see all those your rubbish? I will settle it now.
Really?
So...
It will never happen. Let me tell you something.
So...
Okay now.
You have grown, Ekpa! You have grown, Ekpa!
What do you want?
You have grown! You have grown! You have grown!
We left in anger without telling me your whereabouts. Eh?
I needed to clear my head of the anger you caused me.
Nkem, I am sorry. I am sorry. I was frustrated. I didn't have any other choice. I know it is against your wish that I go to my brother again. But Nkem, we need help.
We need help, I agree. But not from a man like that your brother Maduka. Not from him.
Nkem, my brother Maduka is a very, very good man. I know for sure he's a very, very good man. He helps me with every little thing I ask him. This whole thing started after he got married to his wife. Believe me.
So you knew all this, yet you went to ask him for money. Do you know the kind of insult and humiliation that I got from the wife the last time you went to him to ask him for money? Listen, my wife. I know we don't have enough to take care of our kids, but I vowed with my chi that I will never, ever ask them for anything.
Them our children. Our children are no longer going to school.
I know, but for now, they have to be going to the farm with us. I will continue to hustle and at the same time wait for my chi to look upon me and have pity. Stop going to that man. You are causing my chi each time you go to him to ask him for anything. I've not been a happy man in a long while because I have failed as a man. I have failed in my duty as a husband and as a father. I know my chi will never desert me. My wife. I know I have a lot of things that I'm supposed to do for you, which I am yet to fulfill. But first of all, I want to thank you for your patience that you've had for me so far. But I want you to still exercise more patience for me, please. Because I believe that one day, someday, my chi will have pity on me and smile on both of us. Okay?
Ole. What are you doing?
Father, why can't Mother and Amobi give me their support? Why can't they allow me marry the love of my life? What did I do to them? How did I offend them?
You've done nothing to them, my daughter. I do not know. Your mother all of a sudden changed to what I do not know. She is no more the woman that I married. But all the same, my daughter, take heart. I am still your father. I'll fix it.
Father, please. Please, I don't want Onyeka to be disgraced tomorrow. I want you to welcome him with all your heart. He's the man that I love. He's the one that makes me happy. He's the love of my life, please.
My daughter, as far as I, your father, is concerned, nothing of such will happen. Not when I'm still alive. You love Onyeka, don't you?
Yes, Father.
And I will do everything humanly possible to make sure you marry the man of your life. I love him too.
Thank you, Father.
Can you put up a better smile?
Thank you, Father.
Just be a good daughter and I'll fix the rest, okay?
Thank you, Father.
Good.
Hey! Maduka, you needed to have seen what the man, this foolish man your daughter wants to settle down with, wore to this place today. The idiot was dressed like a village drunken master. Aye! I've never been as humiliated as I was when that boy showed his face today. But wait, who could have believed that you, with all your education, you will allow your daughter to settle down with a village waif?
As far as I'm concerned, Evelyn, you are not making any sense at all.
What? I'm not making any sense. No problem. See that marriage? It will not happen. Yes, you heard me.
What did you just say?
Do I have water when I say that? There's no water in my mouth. That marriage will not happen.
Evelyn, my daughter must marry a man of her choice.
Really?
And there is absolutely nothing anybody can do about it, including you.
Asemge in your face, Kochala. If that marriage happens, know that my name is not Evelyn.
That marriage must hold. And there is nothing, absolutely nothing anybody will do about it. Not even you.
Maduka, we shall see.
We shall see nothing.
I bet you, we shall see.
We shall see nothing.
No problem.
Out of my sight.
No problem. Maduka, we shall see.
You will irritate me.
I can see this is because of all you do, huh?
Of course, take the money.
Anyways, my heart is not for sale.
What did you just say?
I said my heart, is not for sale.
Hey, see this poor man. So you reject a lifetime offer like this? Maka, why?
Yeah. Let me warn you. Don't ever in your life stop me again to make this type of offer. Don't ever in your life stop me again to make this type of offer. I will never trade Oledo. Even if your generation unborn come here to make an offer, I'll never trade Oledo for anything.
Hey. Look at this wretched man. Have you seen this kind of money in your life before?
Oh, mad.
Come and take this money, yo. See, let me tell you, you will end up losing Oledo and even this money too. Look at this wretched man. Have you seen this money in your life before? Help yourself first, and that's why. Don't worry, we shall see in this village. Don't worry now, we'll see in this village. On the try now.
Now you are all set for your big day. Thank you so much. See how gorgeous you're looking. Thank you.
Onyeka, hurry up! Road is too far. It's okay. Look, it's okay.
This is allow him to take his time.
Just imagine. Which one? Remember, the road is too far. It's too far.
It's not far. Is it not the next village? You're always in a hurry.
Onyeka!
Uncle! You're always in a hurry. Calm down.
No, man, can't come.
Look at him, he's here now.
What is that? Udorikwa. Eh? Onyeka! Udorikwa. What are you wearing? Eh? Nki yi nka ifi yi kita, ijikwa ego aju emego nwan. Eh? Koki yela pta yeba. Eh?
It's enough, it's enough.
Welcome to the quantity.
In any year, go.
It's
okay now.
Onyeka.
Chidi, what did you just say? Huh? Chidi.
Is this a joke or something? Hey!
Mama, I can't believe this.
Oh. Hey!
Wow.
Ewo!
What is it?
Ewo!
Mother, why are you shouting? What happened?
Sister, please can you just sit down?
Yes, I just try to sit.
I don't want to sit down. If you have anything to say, out with it.
Oga talk now. Tell her.
I don't know.
Sister, what? What is it?
It's Onyeka.
Onyeka? Obim, what happened to him? What happened to Onyeka?
On my way to his house, there was an accident scene. Out of curiosity, I went closer. He knocked down a little girl and the girl died on the spot.
Hey!
No. I don't try this, sir.
I'm sure you are happy. You're happy now that everybody's talking about us. Talking about your family and my family. I'm sure you are happy now that you and your accursed son have succeeded in denting the image of my reputable family. a reputation we have built all through our lives. You're happy now, people are talking about us. That there's an issue in my family, impeccable family, that made their son-in-law to be to have a misfortune, see a misfortune on his way when he's coming to get married then. Angelina, thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for ruining my life.
Oh God. You know the accident was not intentional. It can happen to anyone.
Oh, shut up. Have you forgotten I came here to beg you, to warn you that this marriage is not going to work? Because I know my instinct. My instinct has never deceived me for once. I warned you that you see this marriage you're planning, this intended visit, your son should have bought it and not come to my house. But instead of you listening to me, you chose to insult yourself in the name of you insulting me. Angelina, who is suffering now? Who is crying now? This is morning of the cry. Mark today's date. Evelyn will never forgive you and your son. Because this is the beginning of your woes, of your troubles. Your suffering just begun. Idiotic woman. That is what people that do not have sense go through. Pain. Idiots.
Hey, Chimo. Chim. Onye ka anyị mejọlụ, onye ka anyị mejọlụ. Onye ka anyị mejọlụ, Chimo. Hey! Hey!
I told you that before.
Come on, sister, please. You've not eaten anything since yesterday. I insist.
I don't care about food. I don't know what is happening to Onyeka in that police station. I'm sure he has not eaten, so why should I eat?
Because you need all the strength in this world in order to save him. And how can you do this without eating?
Yes. I have to save him.
Yes.
I need to save him.
Yes, sister.
Yes.
So, can you just eat? Because you need the strength. How do you intend to do this on an empty stomach? Sister. Sister, please. Just a spoon. Sister.
Hello. Hello, DPO. Sir, it's me. Chief Mrs. Evelyn Marcaliozo. Yes. Yes, it's about our last discussion the last time I ran into you. Yes, I was expecting by now the young man should have been charged to court. Sir? Sorry about what? Why DPO? Hello? What happened?
Oh, Ginizi. Monachi. Chizaram. Why are people not eating your food?
We are not hungry.
I don't believe you.
Mama, when are we going to resume school? Our mates have resumed school already.
Is that why you're not eating your food?
Yes, Mama.
You will go to school.
Okay, Mama.
Now eat your food.
Okay,
Oh?
Mama.
We have decided not to make any court case with that young man.
So it's true? Huh? It's true?
Right now, we want to focus on mourning our only daughter. I mean my beloved daughter. Praying to God to give us another that will wipe our tears away.
Exactly.
Really? So I came here to waste my time, isn't it? Your poor child deserves justice. The poor girl deserves justice. You cannot just keep quiet as if nothing happened. That young man killed your daughter intentionally.
Maybe we've decided to leave everything to God. Even if we get justice, will you bring her back?
I've never seen parents as daft as you two.
Excuse me, woman. You don't come to my house to insult me. By the way, that young man in question, do you know him?
How is this question relevant to our discussion? Is that what I came here to discuss with you?
It is obvious. You really know this young man personal. And maybe have an issue with him that I don't wish to know. But please, don't use my daughter's death to start up your revenge mission.
What?
Yes.
Okay, are you okay? Are you alright? Do you still have sense in your head? Are you alright?
It is you that is not alright. Do we know in the first place? In case you don't know, we asked further and all the eyewitnesses say the same thing except you. So, we can't give you what you want. So get out.
Fine. I want my money back. Every penny I have given you. Because I remember you saying that you use the money to pursue this matter to a reasonable extent. So give me back my money.
Oh.
Everything.
Oh. You want your money back?
Of course.
Ngwano, wait for me. I will give you your money or your debts.
You want to know the type of person my husband is, right? Won't you go now before he comes out? Let's go.
Make this place!
Come and take your money.
If I should lose my daughter, I will even add you.
What is it? Oh, you know you can talk to me. What's the matter with you?
He's your brother.
My brother? What happened to him? What happened to Onyeka? Mama, what happened to Onyeka? Talk to me, Mama. Mama, talk to me now. What happened to Onyeka? Onyeka! Onyeka! Mama, what is keeping you? Come now, we need to get to the police station. I have to see the officer in charge before he leaves. are you still doing?
Let's go, eh? But my problem is, I don't know if they will allow us to see him. Because last time I went there, they refused me of seeing him.
Not when I'm around. After seeing me with this copper uniform, it's not possible. I will show them he has a sister. Let's go.
You're back.
Yes, oh my God. Oh, I'm happy. Thank God. I'm very well.
You have graduated.
Yes,
Finally.
You've graduated.
Yes, I'm
Look at you! You look good in your uniform.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kopashon.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, Oledo. Thank you, Wanyoma. Thank you for saving my brother. My mother wouldn't have survived if anything had happened to him.
Well, all thanks to God because he took care of the situation. I mean, it could have been worse if the parents of the dead girl had pressed charges.
Exactly. My brother called me that he's getting married. And that's why I came back so that I could join him in welcoming you to our house.
Well, he's saying the truth. Very soon because the plan is very much intact.
Exactly.
Thank God. Thank God.
I was actually going to say that the plan, our plan to get married will still hold. Although the devil came, to scatter everything, but no way.
Never.
Never. I'll follow my heart desires.
Yes. Thank God. Father, he'll be coming next weekend.
Who, my daughter?
The man that wants to marry me.
Are you for real?
Yes, Father.
I can't wait. I hope it works out this time around.
I hope so.
Oledo, I am so ashamed of you. How could you? To fear again. I cursed that I gave birth to a foolish, idiotic girl like you.
Enough, Evelyn!
Enough of what?
Enough!
Enough of what? Okay, now. Go away.
Rubbish. What else can that
So I don't know. So after everything that happened, you didn't see it as a sign or as a bad omen? Eh? I don't know, No. In fact, I curse whosoever that have robbed you of your senses. You want to continue where? Go ahead. Continue with your stupidity.
Will you shut your trap and get out of this place? Go and join your mother. Like mother, like son. Wave or muscles and no brain. Can you imagine?
Sister, it's okay. I promise you it's going to be fine this time around. I mean, I don't know why they are just bitter over nothing. It is your happiness. One thing is for sure. I know you and Onyeka deserve each other, and I wish you the best.
Thank you, brother.
My daughter, I am in for anything that gives you happiness and joy. You have my support, my daughter.
Thank you, Father. I love both of you. Thank you for making me believe in this family.
I love you more, my daughter.
We love you.
Mother, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Were you not the person that said your man to be is coming today?
Yes, I said so.
I don't know where that stupid question is coming from. Listen, go to him, better still, call him on the phone to make sure he is coming today. Because I will not waste my time preparing for him to come if he does not show up today. It's teaching time. 6-9. I'm not game. Hey! I'm not game.
Yes, I'm listening. Talk to me, what is it? Which issue? What?
Oledo, what is it? What is it?
Father, would you just call to tell me that Onyeka is sick?
Don't say.
How can he be? Father, I'll be right back.
Oledo, be very careful. What could that be? What kind of misfortune is this? Who is against my daughter's happiness? My daughter, what happened? How is he?
He's in the hospital now receiving treatment. The doctor said he has acute malaria and typhoid.
Meaning the ceremony is yet cancelled again today?
Mother, you should be more concerned about his health.
I should be more concerned about his health. What is wrong with you? How many times have you embarrassed everybody with this nonsense and useless marriage? Eh? Is it until God jumps down from heaven? That is when you know that this marriage is a huge mistake. Listen, whatever that is happening now is God trying to tell us that this marriage is a farce. Is a mistake. It shouldn't happen in the first place.
Which God are you talking about?
Do you know him? As if you know his address. Which God are you talking about? Oh, please. No way.
So your conscience is so severed. We should be talking about the young man's health. Not this rubbish. The young man did nothing wrong by asking for my daughter's hand in marriage.
Mm-hmm.
And hear me out. I am supporting them all the way.
I am with you on that, Papa.
Oh, follow. On with who? As if you know what they're following. When you talk, go man with the sense. Rubbish.
I think I have to go to the hospital and see him.
Papa, I'll come with you.
You follow? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Papa, he will really appreciate your visit.
I know.
Hmm? You are not going anywhere, Madoka. You are not going anywhere. What is wrong with you? Are you so dumb that you cannot see the handwriting on the wall? So you don't have brain again with this your small head? Can't you advise your daughter to stop all this madness? Is it when everything has gone wrong, King, in what sense?
Evelyn!
Evelyn what?
You know my husband?
Oh, get away.
I'm going to repeat. That young man did nothing wrong by asking for my daughter's hand in marriage. Like I said, I'm supporting them all the way.
Supporters club.
Mama, don't you think that if you or Papa doesn't go to see him at the hospital, people might think you have a hand in it, and I don't...
Am I no magic? I can slap you and slap you again. Will you shut that your stupid mouth? What do you know? Because your father has brainwashed you into flaring. You now have mouth to talk. If you talk, I will slap you. Anyway, I don't blame you. I don't blame all of you. I blame myself. I wasted my whole day when I should have having my beauty sleep. Setting this table, setting these chairs, cleaning everywhere for this ill-fated marriage that will never happen.
Evelyn, watch your tongue. You are not God.
How?
And I want to tell you that tomorrow is pregnant.
God, because away.
Tomorrow is pregnant. Son?
Let it give birth today.
Let's go.
Oledo, I named you after my late mother because of how close I was with her. Little did I know that none of my blood, not even a pint, runs through your vein. You are such a huge disappointment. You are not in any way like me. You don't have sense. Brainless. Her beauty without brains.
My love, I want you to know that no matter what happens, I'll never be discouraged towards becoming your wife. I will stick with you forever.
Olam, this means so much to me. Thank you so much for loving me. I was going to ask you, how are your parents? How are they taking it? I'm sure they are very upset with me.
Upset?
Huh?
Nobody is upset with you. Or except probably my mother. But I don't care. All I care about is you, my love. You are my world.
See, God, God in heaven knows that I have good intentions for you. And I'll never disappoint you.
I know.
Let's go.
How disappointing.
What is it?
You thought it's going to be business as usual, breaking into my room to steal my things.
I guess Shady told you.
He doesn't have to tell me anything for me to know that you are a common thief.
Adanne, don't insult me. I'm your elder brother.
Same reason I have not locked you up for stealing and conniving with your stupid friends to beat up your younger brother. Amobi, when did you become this evil?
I beg. Which evil? Who is evil? Don't insult me, oh. I mean, I was only looking for comb to comb my beds and look good. Why will you be even accusing me?
Listen, Let this be the last time I'll get you anywhere close to my room or any of my things. Get out.
Don't worry. Bye. Going under the sun. I mean, anything you want, just tell me. I'll provide it now.
You'll provide it?
Is
Yes. it not high time you come and seek my hand in marriage?
Why are you rushing things now? Isn't it so soon?
So soon?
Yes.
My mother is mounting pressure on me to leave you. And I don't want to leave you. I want you to prove to her that you love me.
No.
Please.
You're not going anywhere. You see the way my hand is tied around your waist? That is how I'm holding your life, oh. Nobody can come between us. See, babe, in as much as I want to do this, I want to marry you, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You still remember that your mother doesn't like me.
Does it matter?
It's obvious she doesn't like me.
Does it matter? Is she going to live my life for me? Are you going to marry my mother? Is it not me? I don't know what you're doing now.
But you know mothers and how they can influence things. She might not even welcome me in your house when I come. And you...
Amobi, what are you saying? You just have to make a move before it's too late. Come and carry all these things. All these things. Wholesale. I'm tired of going to a completed building. I'm tired. Carry me to your house. That's what I want.
Babe, I mean, which man in his right senses will see all these things you are carrying and look away? Who? Nobody. I love you and I want to marry you.
Then prove it.
Calm
prove
down
it.
now. Calm down.
Amobi, prove it. Time is ticking. Another person will just come and break your hand and carry me. Amobi, another person will carry all these things.
Baby, come here. Stop saying these things you are saying. You are making my mind skip. Oh.
You don't love me. If you love me, you will come.
It's okay now. Stop.
You've grown enough to go out whenever you want and come back whenever you want. Okay?
No, Mama. Mama was here last night. I knocked, but nobody opened the door for me.
You were where?
Mama was here last night. I knocked, but nobody opened.
Mama, it's true. I heard a knock now. I wanted to come and open the door for her, but you refused.
Close your mouth. Are you the one I'm asking? Ajoronge? Did I ask you any question here? Lotana, it's okay. There's no problem. It is clearly shown now that you are matured enough to live on your own. So, Wadro, go back to wherever you are coming from. Go back. Wherever you are coming from, now back.
Mama, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to stay out late. I'm sorry, Mama.
Lotana,
Mama,
go back where you are coming from.
Mama, I said I'm sorry now.
Mama! Oh!
Brother? Uchechi, how are you?
I'm fine. We thank God.
Uchechi, I thought I asked you to come and see me after.
Brother, you know, that is what you always tell me. So, it's always the response I get from you. So I didn't want to push it. I said, let me just leave you.
I'm sorry. You know, I would have done better. It's just because of my... I don't know how to say it.
Brother, it is okay. Trust me. I perfectly understand everything. I am not angry.
You do?
I am not angry at all.
You do?
I am not angry, brother. I
understand. Where are you coming from?
I went to pick up some things from my friend in Kiru because we're traveling to the city. My husband got a job in the city, so we're moving.
Are you for real?
I am telling you.
Hey.
Kem.
Hey, my love.
Eh?
What has been holding you now? We have finished packing, I and my children. We're just waiting for you.
It's in Kiru. She delayed me, but don't worry, I have the bags. I have the other things inside.
Okay. Ogum, I don't know how to say this. Honestly, I would have done more and more and more. I mean, but you know my predicament.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Brother, as I was telling you, my husband got a job in the city, so we're moving finally.
Are you for real?
I am.
Hi, I'm happy for both of you.
Thank you.
I'm
It's
happy.
good.
Chai, Ogum, please find a place in your heart to at least pardon me. Okay? I would have loved to do more and more and more, but you see my predicament now, you know.
There's no problem, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You know, it is time for God to answer our prayers, and thank God it finally come to pass. Thank you so much for all the help you rendered to us. I will never forget it in a hurry.
Did I really render help?
You tried as much you can.
It's okay.
You tried.
It's okay. So is that why you are looking this tantalizing? Very, very gorgeous, like a typical African woman.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you, sir. We have to be.
I'm happy.
We have to be going.
I'm happy. Because them go live
But take care of yourself.
I will. I must. Nothing will stop me.
We need to leave now. Thank you. We're in a hurry. All right.
We're in a hurry.
Hurry.
Hey, yeah. Be sounding like this. You know your mother and her minuses. You need to accord her that respect, no matter what. Tell your mother about it.
But I still insist that you tell her yourself. I don't want her troubles, please.
Wonderful. You came right on time.
What is it?
Your daughter's suitor would be coming with his people to woo your daughter this weekend to have her hand in marriage.
So, am I supposed to be dancing, maybe jumping or singing? Or because of that rubbish, that charade? Excuse me, get away.
My point exactly. You see why I didn't want to tell her in the first place?
Indeed, I regret the day I exchanged I do with this woman. She's a misplaced priority.
This type of company is called. Oh, yeah, this type of my in-laws.
And I met in an on-third rock. I am happy. Okay, Butu ono. Oh, okay. Ọkụ agụnyelu nwata n'aka dị elegbu. Butu ono nna gị mụrụ gị. Wele ya. Okay, I'm happy. Thank you. Very, very happy.
Wow!
Achalugo. Once in London. Your case shall be case of 9 months later. Thank you. Can I go with her? Please take proper care of my daughter. She's in safe hands. This love is straight from heaven. I'm happy. I'm happy. Yes. Wonderful. Good.
Can we go now?
Please. Go, my children, okay? I'm happy. This marriage is from heaven. Wonderful. Up now. Yeah, can't be saga. Come on. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. I'm stupidly happy. Honestly.
Mama, I want to inform you that I'll be traveling to the city with my husband. Yes. Delta State, precisely. Yeah. I have a job there.
Did you say Delta State?
Yes.
That's why I'm serving as a copper.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You can come with us.
You will come to our house.
You can stay with us.
That is so great. Thank you, sister. God bless you. I'm so happy.
God will bless you. You are a huge blessing to our family. You will have a happy and joyous home with my son.
Mama, I'll miss you, but I'll be calling you on the phone.
Only calling me on the phone. You will still be coming to see me.
Yes.
You deserve the best in life. Yes, you people will be coming to see. And I will visit at times.
Will you come to our house?
I'm living with you.
My son, my daughter, your home will be filled with children that will love and obey you. You will be so proud of them.
The children will obey us.
Yes.
You must be bold with madness stepping your foot into this compound after I've warned your mother. Eh?
Mama, I love Lotanna. See, Mama, I love Lotanna so much so that I want to marry her. For you to see how much I love Lotanna. I love her, please.
You can't marry her. You are not fit to marry my daughter. No, you are not. See, you smoke. You drink. You do all manner of evil. Even follow criminals up and down. You see, you are not fit.
Mama, I'm ready to forfeit all these things. I'm ready to forfeit them just to be with Lotanna. Because, Mama, I love this girl. I love her.
Who is your mother? No. Take a good look at me. Do I look like that, your wicked mother? Your mother is enough reason for me not even allow you to marry my daughter.
But Mama, Mama, I'm not my mother. I'm not my mother. She has her own blood. I have my own blood. I'm not my mother.
Nobody in this community will allow her daughter marry any of your mother's sons because she's wicked.
Mama, you will not allow somebody to marry somebody that you love and you be... Mama, I'm not going anything. I'm not going anything. You will not allow somebody to marry who you love and you...
No, so of all the girls in this community, it's only my place you want to come and bring your bad blood, your cause.
Mama, please now. I love Lotanna. I love her. Mama,
I'm not going home. You will not sit on my seat. Go away from my car. Somebody is here to see though. People know. That's them not have power. See a drug in my job. Never. Come on. Carry the tea. Come. Hello.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? The car is dirty, so I'm washing it.
Baby, it's not in your place to wash the car.
How?
The gate man is there. I can also take it to the car wash.
No. Why should you take the car to the car wash when I can wash it comfortably? Huh? I can wash it better than that.
Baby, stop this. Stop. You are my husband. You don't need to stress yourself. It's the work of the gate man. Or I can take it to the car wash.
No,
please.
you can't take this car to the car wash when I can wash it well, better than them.
No, please. Please. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like it.
Okay, let me just rinse it.
No! I refuse. No, please.
I just want to rinse it.
No, don't worry. The gate man will finish up. Please. Please stop this.
But has Ifeoma finished washing the plates?
Yes. She's already eaten. She'll soon be leaving. I prepared us fried plantain, egg sauce. I came to call you so we can eat. And here you are, washing my car. Baby. Wash my car again. In fact, no chores. You're not the help. You're my husband.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you for bringing sunshine into my life.
I should be thanking you. You are the best, sweetest, most handsome, humble, and submissive husband on earth.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, let's go eat.
Okay.
Well,
I can't take it.
No, you can't take anything.
Okay.
It's not.
Alright.
For you, babe.
our love is
Let's go
forever stronger. We are meant to be together. Our love is forever stronger.
Babe,
Huh?
I'm off to the market.
Market?
Yes.
Why?
I need to go buy some things for the house.
But you're not feeling too well.
Yeah, I know. At the same time, I need to buy things for the house. So,
Where's Ifeoma?
she has gone out.
Okay, in that case, I have to go to the market on your behalf. Let me buy the things myself.
Come on, baby. You're my husband. You're not supposed to go to the market. Don't worry, I can manage.
No, I insist. I am your husband, so I have to go to the market to buy those things for you. Please. Huh?
No, I can manage.
No, I insist. I want to buy the... In fact, give me the money. Where's the list? What do you want to buy? What do you want to make? What soup?
Okay. If you insist, let's go inside so I can make the list for you. The list
Where's
is
the money?
I'll give you the money and the list. Let's go inside. I didn't make the list because I have what I want to buy off heart. But since you're going, I'll make the list for you.
But you're my wife. I want to make you happy.
Thank you. You're the best. Let's go.
I've been looking at this house. It's very fine.
Yes, our house is very fine. Our house is very fine.
Onyeka, as you insisted on taking that which I forbade you to take, so shall your life be filled with perpetual infamy and disrepute will leave you at the cups of death. May earth be a witness to this cause and deliver it to you. can imagine. It's possible.
When you rejected somebody's son from marrying your sister, what do you expect? This is the law of retributive justice. Come on! It's all for you.
Lies!
What
my son here is saying is different from what you are saying. Yes! What's the relationship? I rejected Onyeka because he's not in any way fit and matched to my daughter's class. I cannot up and down be the same thing. No! I cannot send her to the university abroad and come to settle for someone that sells broom. Short brooms or no brain and bicycle now worry. Is that what you want, my daughter? Oh, please. Can you please stop? And I have bring the girl up or not bring one way down. And you're talking, look at what does her mother do? Farmer, qualified farmer.
Evelyn, I would rather advise you to get a wonderful paste to clean the rubbish coming out from your mouth. Look at the level of damage you've done to my son. Have you seen it?
My son, just don't mind the girl. It's her loss. You are from a very comfortable and wealthy background. She needs you to remove her from her poverty-ridden background. If she doesn't want you, leave her. Go look for yourself a very fine, beautiful girl from a wealthy background.
Mama, it's Lutana that I want. Every time anything that concerns me, Papa will be speaking big grammar, speaking big English, trying to confuse me. You are even making me feel like I'm not even fit for Lutana.
Get out of my sight until you metamorphose to something good. You will remain like this. Delete yourself from my side immediately. Get out.
I'm not fit for Lutana. You don't know that my mother is even managing you. Are you good?
Where did you get this boy from?
Are you good for my mother? Are you good for her?
Like mother, like son.
A son cannot look like the mother. A son can always look like the father.
Can you leave my presence now? I don't want
you to misplace priority.
Get out of my sight.
Really? Get away!
Let me be!
Let you be always be.
So tell me, how is it? Do you like it?
Wait, my love. You made this?
Wait, you don't believe me? Are you surprised?
I'm surprised. I mean,
why?
How did you do it? I mean, where did you learn it? How did you? I'm shocked.
It's a long story. You see, when you traveled, I was briefly employed as a kitchen assistant in a big hotel. So there, I learned how to make coconut rice, jollof rice, fried rice, and others.
So why did you leave the place?
Well, the owner died. But the bad part of it is, he died without paying me my salary. 4 months actually. There, so I left and continued my broom business.
Oh my goodness. This is nice.
Try the meat.
The meat.
Properly grilled. Eat some more. Crush the bone. Crush it.
The spice inside.
Just you feel the crush the bone, that part.
Listen, you have to teach me how to make this.
Just crush the bone.
Oh! That was such a...
My love, Jesus! Baby! Brother! My love, brother! What is it? Hello! Hey! Let's take you to the hospital! Let's take you to the hospital!
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya. Shimo, okwa nwobenye na kpobio, gbatara ya senye maka. dajoka Kemodiziche Ajuju onye ka na-ajụ.
My love. You're not sleeping. Baby, you promised to stop worrying about this.
What could be the cause? Why am I still convulsing? I thought it was a one-time thing. I'm just confused.
My love, I don't have answers to all your questions, but I am sure that we will overcome this together. Okay?
My hands are clean. I haven't offended anyone to go through this type of sickness. I don't know.
Everything will be fine.
If it doesn't stop, how do I take care of you and the baby?
My love, God forbid. It won't stop. It will not continue. The God that we serve will put our enemies to shame. Okay? This too shall pass. Please, let's go back to sleep. Please. Please.
Misfortune Gane Isogi. You are the one that will always have misfortune all your life, not my son. I know you are here to gloat, but I will not give you that attention you seek. Imam Wataya, Mom can non convulsion, not epileptic, no bonya apoko. I send it back to you. My son will soon be well. My God will have to do it for me. Thank
God you said you're God. I am sure your God knows how I suffered to raise this ungrateful idiot. My daughter. All she did was to dedicate her life in doing things that displeases her mother. Is it not wickedness?
Mother, enough! Listen, you're not welcomed here. With all due respect, Mother, get out.
Foul!
Get out!
I say you will not come there. You will not come and drop the curses these people. Even there. Foul curses upon curses upon curses. Let their curses remain with them. Very soon, your eyes will open and you realize how foolish you were to have accepted to marry this apopulicious man. You will continue to suffer.
Mother, get out.
Apopo! Apopo Galuma! That is my prayer for my enemy, to see the consequences of their sin. My God will do good God. Apopo Galuma!
Please, I'm sorry about that. Ignore her, okay?
It's okay. No problem. Let me run to the church and seek for help. This is not my son's fate. I refuse to accept it. My son will be well. Let me change.
This is sad. How can a matured young man like that be infected with this kind of sickness? No, Why won't fate allow Onyeka to enjoy his marriage? What is really happening? Evelyn, you're not saying anything.
I should talk? Now you want me to talk? You want me to state the obvious? You won't hear it from me. You know everything, so go ahead. Nonsense. Lamentation.
Sister, please stop crying. He's going to be okay. He'll be fine. Okay?
My daughter, do not be perturbed at all. We are going to come out of this victorious.
Yes.
There is nothing that is higher than God. That thing never exists. I think the only thing we have to do now is to go to God in prayers. Let's go on our knees and tell God about this condition. Aka ya. Aka Chineke nemelo muma.
You're here, I would have strangled this idiot here and now. Leave my daughter alone. You went and impregnated her. This is just the beginning. You will suffer. You will. As long as you don't want to leave my daughter alone, the gods of my ancestors will keep haunting you. If you talk to me, I will slap you. Go punish you, idiot. Very soon, you suffer.
Don't do this. Mama, let's help him now. Onyeka. Somebody help! Mama, please come now. Mama!
Mama!
Mama, please now. Somebody!
I don't know your mother.
Onyeka. Onyeka. Somebody help! Onyeka. Mama!
What is happening to your son is not normal.
I said it. I said it. I knew it.
But guess what? He's going to be healed.
Amen.
I said he's going to be healed.
Amen.
You see, the kingdom of God suffers violence, but only the violent take it by force. Can someone say amen?
Amen.
We are grateful, oh Lord. I say, we are grateful, oh Lord, for all you have done for us. We are grateful, oh Lord.
I want us to pray. I said, I want us to pray. Say your son is going to be healed.
Amen.
Hush.
Amen.
I said he will be healed.
Amen.
Everybody, let's pray and cast out any demon, any witch, any evil hand in his head. I say, oh Lord, Jesus. I say every
I will not. Yeah, madam. Madam! So I'm invisible now? Or I'm too small that you didn't notice me? Eh? Can't you greet?
But you walked in here and met me. Why can't you at least say hi? Will he kill you?
I said it. I knew it. I knew that your lineage would not fit in mine. I knew it. So where you come from, men greet women, Ekwa? Well, I'll take that as a mistake. Take my bag inside.
What is wrong with you? You want to bully me in my own brother's house?
Point of correction. My sister's house. Or you were not informed too? Eh?
What's going on? You come Amobi.
Your brother is here.
Amobi, welcome.
Okay, keep your welcome.
You didn't call me before coming. Of course, I'm talking to you.
Your elder brother has to call you first before coming to your house.
Amobi, courtesy demands that you call before coming to my husband's house.
This thing is out of hand, though. Eh?
Welcome.
Can you keep your welcome, Oga? Just take my bag inside. That's all you can do.
What a rude and uncouth brother you have here.
I'm not sure you're talking to me. I don't blame you now. Otomano Bazaar.
But babe, let me just carry it.
Mind the way you talk to my husband. You don't want me to send you back to where you're coming from. Watch it. Watch it.
I don't allow the boy to carry my bag. I mean...
Amobi, you just called my husband a boy in front of me.
Yeah. You people want me to go back? It will not work. It will not work. I'm coming in with my bag myself. Eh? Is it not common on Onyeka, a low-life gold digger? I mean, what's the shout for? Ha! I beg you.
Amobi, I am holding myself. I mean, I am this close to slapping the hell out of you. If not that you are my elder brother, only God knows what I would do to you for calling my husband names. How dare you? You sit here, enjoy my drink, and talk anyhow in my house.
Yeah. You dare tell me your elder brother that you slapped me? Wait. Did I even hear you say you will ask me out? You will send me out of your house?
Listen, and listen very good, Amobi. If you cannot respect my husband in my house, which is now his, then you have no business here.
Hey! Has it gotten to this? Where is my phone? Mama must hear this. Mama? Hey!
Like this. What wine is it?
Look at you.
Sister.
Chidi, you're welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Chidi.
Brother Onyeka.
How are you?
I'm very good. You guys are enjoying it?
Yes.
I came quite on time.
How is Papa?
Sister Papa is fine. He sent his regards to the both of you.
And troublesome mother.
My mother-in-law is not troublesome. Watch your mouth.
Mama is fine, but you know, her usual troubles, dishing it out every now and then.
I know.
Yes. Sister, where is Amobi? She's the reason I came here.
Amobi left this morning. He left for the village this morning.
But I am just coming from the village and he's not there. Oh, why now? He's the main reason I came to visit. Well, and of course, to see you.
To see me too.
To see us.
To see us.
In that case, let me take
No.
you to the guest room.
Let me help him out.
Let me just get it myself.
No. I'm sure you're very hungry. Let me.
Don't worry. I can hold it myself.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
No,
very
don't
sure.
worry.
No.
You're welcome. No.
One now.
No.
Cheregodo, you mean that rat, that mweke, that bastard, one baby, was doing all this around your sister?
Mama, you need to see the way Baby Robber was throwing me around in the compound. You need to see the way Baby Robber was ordering me around like one house boy that they just brought from Ekotep. Mama, the one that pained me to my scrotum is my little sister Oledo asking me to leave her house.
Oledo asked you to leave their house?
Mama, Oledo said, Wabe.
It is the fault of that bomb baby. You see that imp? That imbecile? He has not seen the last of me. Magoroyochi. We will say, God, lakweze.
Mama, where is this one they call Chidi? Manokarot. I've not seen him.
Why do you always spoil our mood? Since you want to know, your father sent him to the city. You know how he behaves. But you know what? I will soon shock that idiot. I will shock that boy.
Chidi, the city. Mama, there is this thing I want us to deliberate on.
What is that?
You see, now that my sister, Oledo, is pregnant, don't you think it's wise you take it slow with the charm? See, I don't want my sister to become a widow, or the baby fatherless. See, Mama, I don't even want that Baby Robber to die. I don't want him to die. I want him to be alive and become our slave for life. Yes, now.
Hi! Why in what sense? This shows you have my direct blood in you. You're welcome. Let me go and fix you a sumptuous meal.
Yes.
No, Mama. All for you.
But you add periwinkle for me.
Everything now. Don't you trust your mother again?
Hey, Mama.
Let me go and start.
Yes, so.
Mommy. Wait for one baby.
Mommy, get out, you're too good. Go away, you're too good to be my mother, Joe.
Idiot. Get away! Get away!
You don't look happy. What is it?
I'm not happy.
Why?
My mother is here.
Oh, okay, that's good news. Let me go and say hello to her.
Hello? What are you saying? I mean, how can she come to my house without informing me first? And she came with a big bag, which means that she's not leaving anytime soon.
But I don't see anything wrong with that. She's your mother and she can stay as long as she wants.
Honey, what are you saying? My mother is trouble. You know what? I want to go downstairs and drive her out of the house.
No, you can't do that. It's a big house. She can stay.
You really don't see anything wrong with my mother being here?
No.
How is the sister?
Mama, she's doing well.
I hope she's eating well and resting well.
Yes, Mama, she's.
Her husband is not stressing her so much.
Mama, they're all fine. How was your journey?
Fine. Fine.
Mama.
Adam, Nebia, how are you?
Mama, you're welcome to our house.
Hope you're eating well, you're resting.
Mama, you're welcome to our house.
Shut up! If you talk to me, I'll slap you. Mama, what is that? Did I come to see you?
Slap my husband?
Mama, I hope you're eating well, you're resting. He's not stressing you too
Mama,
much.
she's fine.
I hope you're not allowing her to do all the chores.
Mama, I am fine. This is my house. Stop saying that. I don't like this.
Mama, we're both fine.
Oledo, hold this man and we hit him. Go inside the house. I brought Escalating and for pounded yam. Go and pound the yam, make salad for my daughter to eat now.
Right away, Mama.
Go now. Go and do it.
Mama. I don't want to disrespect you. You are my mother.
And you're disrespecting me already.
How can you threaten to slap my husband, talk to him, insult him in my presence? This is not right. I will not take it from you.
Oh no, she was just joking. Ma, she doesn't mean it.
See that fruit I bought?
Yes, ma.
It's for your wife.
Okay.
It's for my daughter.
Yes, ma.
Don't taste. If you taste it, I will slap you.
No problem.
Don't taste one of it.
There she goes again.
Huh?
Look at how skinny you're looking. I hope he's not allowing you to do all the chores alone in this house.
No, Mama.
Did I ask you? Oh, but did I ask you? Why are you just getting on my nerves? Did I ask you?
I love you, baby.
Stop calling my husband names. I choose to be scared. My love, don't go anywhere. Stay here.
Mama.
You're not the help. You're not the Stay here.
Mama. How about Mama? Regardless, he's still the man of the house. You should give him some respect.
Jade, you're making me go crazy. I feel like just slapping you both sides. You have come to support your usual level here again. Is this your father's house? Even in Akwalo. Go and do the pounded yam and serve.
Mama, the insult is too much. This is my house. I will not take you insulting my husband. Baby, let's go inside.
This is my daughter's house. It's my house. Okay, if you go. Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen it? Ezalo, have you seen it?
Mama, look for a place and rest too. What's all this problem now?
Have you seen
Let them to enjoy their home.
Which home? Which home? Okpo, which home?
I'll leave you here. Oh, okay, you left. This drama continues. From the village to the city. Mama is up.
Look at what is going on. Mama, good morning.
Look at you. You insisted on marrying a woman far richer than you are. That is how you reduced yourself into a boy or a fair. Boy! A man, a full-fledged man that should have gone and looked for something to do in Azaife early morning. Cannot even sing proper song. I don't want you to complain. If you complain, you will die. You must remain in this your boy state forever. Nonsense.
Mama, what would you like for breakfast?
What I would like for breakfast?
Yes.
What I would like for breakfast is for you to leave my daughter and go very far away so that she will open her eyes to see a man that is in her class. Since you don't want to go, you like the life of a boy you are living, no problem. But you have to work out your faith with fear and trembling. Any food you're going to eat here, you work and earn it. Nothing is free in this life. I don't want to hear complaint from you, and I don't want to hear you disturb my daughter.
Mama, Oledo and I, we love each other. I'm sorry, we can't leave each other.
Shut up. What do you know about love?
Love is blind.
You be idiot. Her own love sees. The type of love I know, it sees your eyes are clear. Okay, if you make somebody pregnant, the person will be blind because he will not see you. My own love sees clearly. What do you know about love? You think love is selling broom, short broom in village market? Village champion, you call yourself lover boy. It is so stupid to think that. Just get me abacha, let me eat. I will have access. I don't see the love in you. What I see is thievery.
Mama, but abacha, it's too early to buy abacha. The people selling it, I'm not sure they are out. We have to wait till evening.
Before we eat?
Yes, ma'am.
Till evening before we eat?
Before we get abacha.
I'm not looking for the people selling abacha. I want abacha. Just go and buy it. Don't waste my time. I'm already feeling very hungry.
Okay, I'll see what I can do, Mama.
Go and look for abacha. Don't buy me nonsense abacha. If you don't see the one that is made, buy abacha. Buy okoroko, dry fish, they say born again. And come and make me a quality abacha. Buy otaze that you used to garnish it. Buy crayfish, oporo, all these things. That is what you can do. That is kind of work. Your mother trained you in the village, so you know how to do this stuff. So go and do it now for breakfast. Go, also. Go and buy it now. Are you lost or something? What sense?
Mama, I'm still cleaning. I need to pack it.
Get away! Just pack what? Get away! Shoo, get out! Get away! Leave that thing and go. Hey, just you stink. Leave in AC. Go and shower before you go and buy the abacha stuff before you contaminate it.
Oh, I've been cleaning the house, so I'm sweating, that's why.
Can I ask for your opinion?
Ma?
Get away! Just go and buy my abacha, let me eat. Where are you going there? Go. Shoot. Get away!
Mama, let me pack the dirt.
Just get out. The whole palace goes there. Get away! Out! Only don't talk. If Rocha, it's a waste! Oh no! Maybe she has spoken for you. Where is this boy? Fugo? What is he doing now, sir? Just come and buy me something. That's why he decided to sleep there. Honestly.
Mama?
What took you so long?
Ma?
What took you so long?
Sorry, Mama. Huh?
Who's your mother? Don't ever call me that. Don't ever call me your mother. I'm not your mother.
Sorry, Ma.
What took you so long?
Mama, did I stay long?
You're an idiot. I sent you to go and buy me something since morning and you're just coming.
But I just left here 15 minutes ago.
I couldn't shut up. I'm talking to you. Am I your mate?
I'm sorry, Ma. Sorry, Ma.
Give it to me.
Sorry, Ma.
I don't know what is wrong with you. Maybe the gay, I don't know.
Sorry, Ma.
You are sorry, Nkegi. What is this?
Ma?
What is the meaning of this?
Akara.
What is akara? Did I ask you to go and buy me akara?
Yes, you said akara.
You a fool. You are an idiot. I asked you to go and buy me abacha. Abacha with okporoko and I even asked you to bring by, like you make it here.
No, Mama, you said akara, A-K-A-R-A.
Am I mad like you or so? I don't know what I said again.
You said akara, Mama.
Please shut up.
No, you said akara.
If I just... What is this? Take.
What is that?
Take first.
No. Not until you tell me what it is and what you want me to do with it.
Oledo, this will help get rid of this unwanted thing you carry in your belly.
Unwanted thing that I'm carrying in my belly?
This child is not wanted. He came at the wrong time. See, take it so that you can free yourself from this bondage you call marriage. This is a charade. It's no marriage.
Mother.
Take it, Biko.
Mother, you are unbelievable. I can't believe a mother like you is saying this. You want me to get rid of my gift, my blessing from God. Mother, for crying out loud, I am happily married. Happily.
Happily married to who? To imbecile? To a clown? To a church rat? This is no marriage. A marriage where the woman is in charge is no marriage.
Mother, if you are here to ridicule my husband, call him names, and turn him to a little rat, like you said, then you have no place in my home. It is time for you to go. I didn't invite you to my house in the first place.
Like, seriously? What are you asking me to leave your house? Like, for real? Your mother? All because I am trying to do you a favor and give you your freedom back so they can be free to marry the better man, a rich man, a good man.
Onyeka is a proper man. Onyeka is a real man. He is my husband, the love of my life. Mother, please, stop. Please.
Where are you going? Look at Aledo. Look at this girl. I'm only trying to do her a favor.
Huh?
What are you doing in the kitchen and why are you wearing apron?
So which question should I answer first? Okay, what am I doing in the kitchen? Well, I'm making something for Mama to eat. Secondly, she said I must always wear this in the kitchen and around her.
You're making something for my mother to eat.
Mm-hmm.
And she said you must always wear an apron.
Mm-hmm. Around her and in the kitchen.
What? Is she out of her mind? What?
But, my love, what's wrong with that?
Please, remove the apron.
But
Baby, don't argue. Please, don't. Remove the apron first, please. Remove it.
Wait.
Please go to the living room and
But I'm not done.
Please go. I'll take care of it. Just go. Please. Goodness. What is wrong with my mother? What? Why?
Yeah? What are you doing here?
Mama?
Huh?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
Mama, I'm watching TV. I'm watching Mama G. She's a very good mother-in-law in this film.
Very stupid. Is this the fufu and vegetable soup I asked you to make for me?
Mama, my wife is taking care of that.
What?
My wife.
You allowed my daughter to cook in this house?
What is wrong with that? Huh? Yes.
Oledo, the kitchen is not for you, but for him.
Says who?
Says me. You should be the one to do the cooking. That's what are you doing in this house?
I am the woman of the house. It's in my place to cook and feed my household. What is your problem? Why are you disrespecting my husband?
That kitchen is not for you, but for him. He should be the one to do the cooking. If not, what is he doing in this house?
Mother.
He's just loafing around.
Can you hear yourself?
Of course.
I've not seen our father cook. You're the one that always do the cooking. So what is your problem? Why are you talking to my husband like that?
Your father was an able-bodied man at his age. He brings in the money, makes everybody comfortable, including you. What does this one do?
Ma?
Yes! What are you doing in this house?
Mama. Enough. Please. You are my mother. I don't want it to be said that I disrespected my mother. Mama, but you are pushing too hard. Stop it, Mama. Stop disrespecting my husband. I don't like it. Stop it. If not, I'm going to send you away. I've said this several times. And this time, I mean it.
Already, when you were living with me in that house, in my own house, did I ever ask you to leave? Just because of this thing?
Behave yourself. Respect my husband. He is my husband. And this is our house.
Have you seen what your cousin?
Baby, let's
talk. By eating popcorn, that is where you're doing your hard work. You go open by eating popcorn and hanging your leg on the chair. Don't worry.
So hard not to disrespect my mother.
No problem. No problem. So bad, bro. I should be the one to hang my leg, not you. Idiot.
Hey, my daughter.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're looking good.
Your son is obviously taking good care of you.
Just my son. I know what you can do.
Sit down.
Hey. Thank you.
What a surprise visit. Sit down. Sit down.
Hey. Hey, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
Thank you. You can sit.
Hey. I came for a wedding in Delta here.
Okay.
But the ceremony didn't start on time. So I decided to come here and spend the night. In the morning, I'll go back to the village.
Mama, you don't need to explain yourself. This is equally your house, so you can stay as long as you want.
Chupu gozie again.
You're welcome, Mama.
Where is my son?
He's in the room. I'll get him for you.
It's okay.
For the meantime, relax. Like I said before, this is your house. Tell me what you want to eat, drink. Feel at home, Mama.
I'm so good to see you.
Mama.
Hey? I was hearing a voice that sounded like yours. So I decided to come and see things for myself. Onyeka. So, it's true.
Mama, I don't understand.
So this is what you have subjected yourself to, or they have subjected you into, all in the name of marriage.
Mama, nobody subjected me to anything. As you can see, I'm making food for my mother-in-law. By the way, why didn't you call me before coming here?
Are you asking me? Did that fool, that witch, did she inform you before coming here? And I'm joking.
Mama, please stop.
And you are here enslaving yourself because of her.
Mama, stop.
Onyeka, gonna be fine. Apron. So you are now the chief cook in this house. Oh yeah?
Mama, you were supposed to call me before coming. You know that?
Ah, this is what has been going on. This nonsense must end today. Okay, end. Can you leave her?
Where are you going? Mama? Mama?
What are you doing here? What have you come here to do?
The same thing you came here to.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's about to again. I heard you have been causing problem for my son and enslaving him at the same time.
Mama? Mama, no. I didn't tell you that. Nobody's enslaving me. I didn't say that to her.
Mechion again.
Freedom fighter. So you came to protect him. Because of rumor mongering that you are. You came to cause trouble in my daughter's house, up here?
Evelyn, whatever charm you are using on my son is destroyed right now. I cannot sit back and watch you intimidate my son in his own house.
Why, I don't know. You did just say your son's house. Your son that cannot afford a 5 inches nail. You don't know, this house belongs to my daughter. And as it is, you, the intruder, will not sleep in this house tonight. Zero.
Evelyn, bitterness will choke you till you die. This house belongs to my son by virtue of marriage.
Mama, the house is not mine. It is for her.
One more. Is this singular truth you said? You will go far, even to prison. You will go.
It's you that will go to prison, not my son.
Your son has told you you're coming to dig reap where you did not sow. Go digger. The house belongs to my daughter. You come by virtue of marriage. The house belongs to my son. So my daughter, Baba, law your son now. That is what it means.
Shut up!
No matter how you nag this night, this house, you will not sleep it. Over my dead body, will you sleep in this house tonight?
Be ready to die. Be ready to die because I must sleep here and you have nothing to do about it. You cannot do anything.
Let's see how it goes. Leave this house.
Mama, it's time I teach you a lesson.
Enough. Please, behave yourselves. Please, what is all this? This house is big enough. Nobody is going anywhere. We are all going to sleep in this house this night.
Madam, this one is a big lie. Oledo, this house could be your house, but I am your mother. So I am the chief owner of this house. I decide who sleeps and who does not sleep. She will not sleep in this house. Yes! You will not sleep in this house. You, this stupid woman, idiotic woman, you will not sleep in this house this night.
Evelyn, you are the one that is stupid and idiot. It's high time I taught you a lesson of your life. What is the problem?
Mama.
Chief owner.
Mama, fight now. Mama.
Chief owner, what you
please. For peace, Mama, please. Mama.
You're coming to drag where you don't belong. How can that go say, man?
Mama.
Drag. Want to sleep where you did not
Mama, come. Let me show you something. Come.
Don't show her.
Mama, don't fight now, Mama.
If you're body.
Mama, please.
And I go back. You're dragging property.
Mama, why are you doing this now?
Shut up. Didn't you see when she came to attack me?
I didn't mean you listen to sister. You wouldn't have been fighting.
You fool. What is it?
Mama, honestly, I'm not happy with you.
I should be the one telling you that. Do you realize that I'm here to save you?
To save me?
Yes.
Save me. I don't want anybody to save me, Mama. I'm not looking for who to save me.
I now know. I don't think you are normal at all. How can you allow that useless woman to reduce you to nothing in your own house? Don't shame me. Allow me to talk.
Mama, I'm very, very normal. In fact, tonight, you're sleeping in a hotel.
Hotel?
Yes.
What will I be doing in a hotel?
That's where you belong tonight, Mama. You're not sleeping in this house. I'm taking you to a hotel.
Omame, never. I must stay in this house. I will sleep in this house. And I will tell that stupid woman that the God I serve, my own God, is greater than all the charms in the whole world. Leave me! Let me talk! What is all this?
Mama, stop. Mama, listen. You just do this for me. She will soon leave. She's leaving this house very, very soon. So just calm down. Just kindly sleep in the hotel tonight so that...
I'm not happy about this. Mama, I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, the hotel is nice.
How can I leave this
Mama,
Mama,
I'll take you to a nice hotel.
Hey! Amobi, what are you hiding?
Mama?
Amobi! So, Amobi, you're still smoking? I thought you swore to my daughter not to smoke again. Amobi, get in here, Nakagi.
Mama, Mama,
It's not like what? Amobi, I'm disappointed in you. How could you be smoking in my father's compound? How could you?
As you of all people should understand how these things go. It's not like I started smoking again, Mama. I mean, as you can see, I told so much today. I worked very hard. I just needed to chillax my body, you know.
You need to chillax your body?
One stick, just one stick.
One
Can't
stick
wake up one now.
Of candle. For prayers, You try to smoke. Amobi, must you smoke? Must you? Hey! Amobi, so you've worked hard?
Yes, Mama.
What have you done? Things
that I did, fresh water, everything.
Amobi, when I am still planning for us to go to the farm and harvest cassava, Hey!
Yes, no. You heard, Mama.
Mama, you're going to the farm today?
Yes, today. We did not just plan to go and harvest cassava. We will peel it, grind it, sun-dry it, and possibly carry it to the market.
Also, no work, go ahead.
So a lot of work to be done.
So, Ono Chirim. You people want to use me. So you are even planning to go to the, you said to the farm. Harvest cassava. Peel it. Grind it. And possibly take it to the market.
Exactly.
Aso Nukuna.
To prove your love.
No, Aso Nuku. See, Mama, I am done proving my love. Biasa. This your love should be on hold on for now.
What are you saying?
Okay, that's your love now.
What are you saying?
I don't want again. So Onu cheer him. Onu cheer him.
Amobi.
Guy. That cheer him.
Look at it. You see lazy boy. You see lazy boy. This is how he take care of you. No, I thought he will take care of you. Look at how he will take care of you.
Mama, what is wrong with this one?
Nani need you.
Mama! You feel out there, May. You don't have shame.
Mama, you should beg him. Nobody does it better than him. I can't beg him. You must beg him.
Agunku, that boy has hurt me beyond my expectations. Therefore, I don't want to see him breathe anymore.
So now you seek to send him to afterlife?
Yes.
Let me ask again. Are you certain about this?
Yes. Let him die. I want him dead. Yes. government minister.
Mama.
On somebody else's money. Enjoy!
Mama, can I make something for you?
What are you doing? Huh?
Ma?
What are you doing? What is all you?
I'm eating.
You're eating. You're eating. It's only a foolish man that is happy when he's being fed by his wife. What is wrong with your two hands? Can't you go and look for something to do with yourself? Mama, lazy idiot.
When you called me, I was eating.
You see? What are you doing there? Idiot. Why are you always cheerful? When you should have been hiding your face in shame. If I let me to go to give for once, oh better. Ewu. Where is Oledo?
Ma?
Where is Oledo? Somewhere?
She went to the market with her brother. They will soon be back. I called her on the phone.
And you're laughing?
I'm happy because she will soon be back.
Hey. Don't you know that you're the one that is supposed to go to that market?
I don't have a problem with that, Pa.
Then get me this stockfish I asked you to prepare for me. You're getting on my nerves.
Okay, Mom.
Drop that plate! Okay, my come and drop the plate! Okbo. You're looking at it so that whether you carry it or you... Idiot.
Mama, water. There's pepper. Are you back?
Yes, I'm tired. I'm hungry.
See, I told you not to go to the market. But it's okay. I made something very delicious for you.
So hungry.
Come.
I hope you will never forgive me.
You should have left that for me to eat. I'm the one that is pregnant to eat.
Sister, I'm so sorry because myself, I think I'm pregnant too.
Pregnant with what?
Somebody help!
Chidi, what?
Hey!
Chidi!
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 Hey!
Chidi, what is it?
Chidi!
Chidi!
My
Mama!
stomach! Chidi! My
Chidi, what is it?
Chidi! My stomach!
What happened?
My stomach!
Chidi!
My stomach!
What happened?
My stomach!
What?
Ah! Chidi!
What did you give him when you went to the market? What did he eat?
Mama, he didn't eat anything. That's why we came back hungry and tired.
Wait. Then what did you give him now that he came back from the market?
Mama, I'm still cooking. I'm not giving him anything.
So what is wrong with him now?
Okay, except this small watermelon on the table. He took the watermelon on the table.
Oh, that watermelon I was eating.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey!
Sister,
Hey!
Mama, let me get my car keys. Let me get my car keys and take it to the hospital.
Of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya, shimo, okwa mwobenye na bobio, batara ya senye maka, nobi mada joka,
My heart is shattered. What have I done to myself? Oh, Chidi, my sweet boy. Will I ever recover from the shock of your death? Knowing that I am the one that caused it. Will this guilt ever leave me? Onyeka, you devil. You have cost me the precious life of my son. I'll never let this slide. You must die this time around. And I'm not going to fail. This is the house address. Take it. Killer, take it. What is that, Killer? Once you get to the house, kill him. Do not show him mercy.
One question.
Go ahead.
Does he live in that house alone?
No, he lives with my daughter. Do not touch her.
You killed my only brother. You think we don't know? No, you think we don't know you killed my only brother and you're still holding on to my only sister, even against our witch, Onyeka. Are you this mean? No, are you this mean?
No, how can you say I killed your brother? Why should I do that?
Oh, you think we don't know? You don't know that we are aware on your plans to even kill my sister and take over everything she owns. But you have failed. I'm here. I am here, Onyeka. I am here. Go get me food. I'm hungry.
Huh?
You too, huh? I said go get me food. I am hungry.
Can you sit down?
Do you actually need to offer me a seat in my own house? Do you think I own a seat here? In fact, I own this house. I am the first son of my father, and this house belongs to my own kid sister. Go get me food.
What do you want to eat?
Go get me whatever you have in the kitchen. Question and answer. That's all you know how to do. Television.
There's Gary, but the soup is cold. Do you want it like that?
No. Bring it frozen. Yes, bring it frozen. So you want to kill me also, Abi? I'm here for you.
Iced. Okay. Goodbye.
Mama, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? You know my husband is innocent. He couldn't have done that, and you know it, Mama.
I don't know anything. I'm not in the mind of your husband. So let him swear to prove his innocence.
That boy is not going to swear to anything.
Thanks, Papa.
What did you say?
You heard me. I do not know why the gods allowed this to happen to me. If it is a wish of the gods that I'm going to lose my two sons at the same time, they will go before me, so be it. Please, madam, allow me to grieve over the loss of my children, since I'm going to live with it for the rest of my life. Please, I'm begging you.
The killer of my sons cannot be walking freely while they are down below. No way. I am convinced Onyeka is behind their death.
Mama.
Mama, what?
How do you know that, Mama? What if you are wrong? Did you see him killing them? I'm equally convinced that you are doing all this to humiliate my husband further. Yes.
Let him swear to that oath and prove his innocence. Then I will let him be. For that oath, he is swearing it, whether you like it or not.
And I said no. Capital no. What is your problem?
Manuka, he is taking that.
I said no. He will not.
He will swear to it, whether you like it or not.
Are you my husband?
Agonkwo, nobody is agreeing to the oath taking, especially my husband. He needs to agree before the elders will consult with Nkolo, the chief priest. That means they need his consent.
He will agree.
He will?
Don't you trust Agonkwo anymore?
No, of course I trust you.
Then go home and you will be surprised at what you will see. As for the oath taking, don't be troubled. Agonkwo is in control. But make sure that you have the beads I gave to you on your waist before the oath taking. Onyeka will be the one that will fall. He will be cursed for the sins of many.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Go home.
I believe you. I believe you. Shall be on my way.
Honestly, I am disappointed. And I find it difficult to believe that Madoka will support this. My son will never swear before any deity. We are Christians, and as such should not practice diabolism.
Mama, I'll swear the oath.
Yeah?
I'll swear the oath.
Never.
I will. If that's the only way I can prove my innocence.
But you did not kill him.
That's why I want to swear.
My love, I don't want you to swear. I don't want anything to happen to you because I don't know what is going on anymore. All of a sudden, my father seems to be agreeing with everything that my mother is saying.
I'm surprised. Because just yesterday, he refused my brother involving himself in anything that has to do with oath swearing. But today, the story has changed.
Exactly. Please, my love, I don't want you to swear, please.
He might have slept over it. And somehow, I don't blame him for irrational decision. But my problem is forcing my son to swear against his belief.
Mama, I'm willing to swear before any deity, and that's final.
I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
That is my problem. I
don't want you to swear, please.
I will.
Hey.
Kona Wandem, my sister, my heart is so heavy with bitterness and regret. I should have taken your advice when you advised me to end his life once and for all. Even when I told you I was going to kill him, I didn't go ahead with the plan because I was more interested in inflicting pain on him so that he will suffer and die slowly. And right now I cannot get a hold of me. I'm so pained. My heart is breaking in pieces.
I feel your pain so much. And I hate to say I told you. But all the same, it has happened. I am sorry. Please accept my condolence. I am sure you not see reasons with me why this boy needs to die.
With my full chest, that boy must die this time around. Because his fate has already been sealed by Agunpo on my side. Once he takes the oath, right before the glare of the villagers, he will suffer and die because he will be caused by the sins of many. He will not go scot-free this time, he will die.
Good. I can't wait to hear the good news. At least, it's going to help you heal from the irreparable loss.
What will bring my children back? Who will bring my sons back? So, even if that boy dies 1,000 times, it's not enough to bring my children back.
It's okay.
And let him die first. Let him die.
He is going to die.
Our son, we heard what happened. And we're sorry about that. As for the oath swearing, we, your uncles here, we are solidly behind you. You have nothing to worry about.
Yes. It has never been heard of in our lineage that we kill people. Yes. Never. You will not only swear to prove your innocence, but to shame our detractors.
You must surely be proven innocent. God will fight for you.
What about your son? He's in a meeting with his uncles. Ojugo, I am worried about the whole thing. How can I fight this? How can I?
Fight what, Okwa? What are you fighting? Yeah?
You know, we are Christians. Why do they want to make my son to do what he does not believe in?
As it is now, if he doesn't swear, they will see him as a murderer. And I'm sure that's not what you want.
For sure, it's not what I want. But my question here is, why can't they accept that my son did not do it? Why can't they? Must he swear?
You don't have to be scared. If he's innocent, nothing will happen to him. God will vindicate him. Stop being scared.
Honestly, I am scared and worried. My mind tells me that something might go wrong. Something might go wrong.
Then get on your knees and talk to God. You are a Christian and very prayerful. Kneel down and talk to God this night. Let him take control of what is going to happen tomorrow. You don't need to be scared. Being afraid is not the option.
It's okay.
Get into praying. Inugo?
It's okay. I've heard you.
You don't need to be worried.
Thanks for your advice.
Just keep praying.
Thank you.
Pray. Nothing will happen. Can never.
It's okay. Thank you.
Sweetie.
Yes.
I'm famished. I'm very, very hungry. I need to eat food. Go get me some food to eat.
My love, I will give you food. But are you still giving me your support concerning tomorrow's oath taking?
Exactly, I'm supporting you. For the oath, that boy, Onyeka, must take the oath. Imagine the little rat, he thinks he's smart. All of a sudden take my daughter off me? No, it is not done.
Good.
He must take that oath.
Wonderful.
Watch me. I'm a human and I have blood running in my system. For killing my sons, my dear sons. Watch me and make sure that boy rots in jail. For life. Watch me. As far as it makes you happy, watch.
Good.
He will rot in jail.
For once, you have sense in that your small head. At least we'll get the justice we seek tomorrow.
Of course, justice at last.
Let me go fix your food.
Please do. Make sure it's my delicacy.
Thank you.
Justice at last. He must rot in jail.
Excuse me.
Yeah. At once there's peace in this home.
Konyakas attackers, arise, oh God, wherever they are planning it, wherever they are doing all enchantment. Father, you says they shall surely gather. By the mention of Jesus, they will scatter. If the gathering is not of you, they will scatter. For this reason, by the power bestowed upon me as a child of God, by the power bestowed upon me as a servant of the living God, I worship you, Jesus. I serve you. My family serve you in spirit and in truth. We pray, oh God, that you arrest all the evildoers. You arrest all the evil manipulations. Attacking Onyeka, my brother. Attacking Onyeka, my brother. Let him be free. Let him be free. Let him be free. The Bible says that whoever is set free is free indeed. I command them to be powerless. I command them to be powerless. They should die. They will die. They will die. They will die. In the name of Jesus. Amen. In the name of Jesus. Amen. The name of Jesus is greater than every other name. That name is powerful. At the mention of Jesus, every knee shall bow and every tongue will confess that Jesus Christ is the Lord. For this reason, I make that woman, whenever they are gathering, whenever the penetration is coming from, whenever the forces is coming from, I resist them.
Take this and swear to your innocence.
There's something I stop looking at me. What's that?
Say after me. I, Onyeka.
I, Onyeka.
Son of Mazi Elias Obidegu.
Son of Mazi Elias Obidegu.
Hereby swear with this offer.
Hereby swear with the offer.
That I have no hand in the death of Amobi and Chidebere.
That I have no hand in the death of Chidebere and Amobi.
If I am lying.
If I am lying.
Let this offer punish me.
Let the offer punish me.
Hey! No, don't kill me now. Man, don't kill me! Hey! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I will confess. I will confess. I will confess. Oh, I will confess. I will confess.
Speak, woman.
I've been the one responsible for all the calamities befalling you, Onyeka. I've been the one. Yes, I've been the one doing everything.
What?
From that accident to where you killed that little girl. No, now. That's even that shows now is me. Oh, it's me. All those things that been happening to you. I've been responsible for everything. The charm in my ways is the one that I use so that I'll manipulate my husband and the elders to do everything I wanted. Oh. It's not my fault. Oh, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It was my sister that deceived me. It was Akunaya that deceived me. She introduced me. She introduced me to Agunkwo. Agunkwo has been the one giving me the chance to do all these things. I was trying to kill Onyeka, but Onyeka refused to die. Instead, my sons died. I was the one that sent those hired killers to come and kill Onyeka. Instead, they killed Amobio. They killed Amobio. That's watermelon. I was the one that poisoned it. I was the one. Oh.
Evelyn! Evelyn!
I am sorry. I am sorry.
You killed my children!
I am sorry.
You did?
I can't see a bagogono. I can't see a bagogono.
Hey. My sister deceived me.
Hey! Hey! Wanka.
Why are you slapping me now?
She fall asleep.
She fall asleep.
No, she's dead.
Oh, okay.
Ajọ nwaanyị. Ajọ nwaanyị.
Laws of our land.
Let us go.
Maduka.
Show yourself. If you're brave enough, show yourself. This is Agunko, the only mortal that sits in the Council of the Immortals. Show yourself! Hey! 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 Hey!
Have you seen? God is not a man. His thought is never like that of a man. Have you seen? Whatever a man sows, that he must reap. Life is not as you think.